Hi and welcome to my Python YouTube channel. It's awesome to have you here. If you like this video, a thumbs up would be great. And make sure to subscribe for future videos. I also have a blog at prosperacoder.com with lots of cool stuff, so feel free to check it out. In the previous part of this series, we created a data frame from a dictionary of series objects. Let's quickly recreate the data frame here. So, we have to import Numpy and pandas. Here's our first series object, atomic numbers, and the second one, atomic masses. And here is our data frame object which we created using these two series objects. And here it is. A data frame with two columns, and as you remember, the names of the columns were defined here as the keys of this dictionary. Now, this is how we create data frame objects, but it's not the only way to do it. Let's have a look at some other options. First, we can create a data frame from a single series object. So, let's start with something simple. If our data frame needs only one column, we can create it from just one single series object. Here's an example. Atomic masses and columns, atomic mass, just one column. Let's print it out. And now we have a data frame object where the atomic masses data is used and represented, displayed in one column. You can also create a data frame from a list of dictionaries. Then the keys will become the column names. So, let's define 4 dictionaries, like so. Dictionary 1, age dictionary. Monica, age. Jake, his age, and so on. Then dictionary 2, salary dictionary. Monica and her salary, Jake and his salary, and so on. List of dictionaries, staff list. Here we have the 2 dictionaries. And here's the data frame. Staff is a data frame created from this list of dictionaries. And now let's print staff, which is a data frame. As you can see, the keys of the dictionaries are the names of the columns, and the values are the actual data in this data frame. Now, if these default integer zero-based indices don't tell you much, you can explicitly pass your own ones. Have a look. Here we have the staff list and the index list with the names of the indices. And now we get something like this. Instead of 0, 1, we have age and salary, so that we know exactly what the data is all about. So now it looks better. But what if some of the keys are only in one dictionary but not the other? In such a case, the missing data will be filled with nan values. Nan stands for not a number. We're going to talk about nan values in one of my future videos in this series. Anyway, to demonstrate how it works, let's make some changes to our dictionaries, and even let's add one more. So here's the new code. Now we have 3 dictionaries, age dictionary and salary dictionary just like before, and sales dictionary, where we have some names and their sales. Now, as you can see, some of the keys are in some of the dictionaries but not the others. For example, Monica is in this dictionary, but not in this dictionary. Bryce is only here and here. So let's print our staff data frame. And as you can see, Monica is only in the first and the second dictionary, so in the third dictionary we get nan, not number. Bryce is not in the first dictionary, so the value here is nan, but he is in the second and third dictionaries. Now, for example, Sarah can be found in all 3 dictionaries, here, here, and here. So we get valid data for age, salary, and sales. Joe is only in one dictionary, in the last one. So we only have valid data for sales, but we have another number, value for age and salary. Now, as a side effect, the numbers in columns with nan values were converted to floats. So here we have 37 because there is no nan value here in this column, but here there is a nan value, so all the other numbers were converted to floats. Now, finally, in our last example in this video, we'll create a data frame from a two-dimensional NumPy array. So let's create a two-dimensional NumPy array consisting of random numbers. Let's print it out. Here it is. And now let's use it to create a data frame. So here's our random R NumPy array, and what we get is the following. Naturally, we could have specified the column and index names, because these values here, 0, 1, 2, 3, and here the indices, don't tell us much. So let's do that. Now we'll use the random R NumPy array, and here are the names of the columns, A, B, C, D, and the indices, version 1, version 2, version 3. And now we get this. Here are the names of the columns. Now, maybe in this case, these names don't tell us much more than these numbers, but anyway, I think you understand the idea behind this. And there are naturally other ways of creating data frame objects as well, like for example from regular Python lists, but the ones discussed above are the ones we'll be making use of most in this series. Okay, that's it for this video. If you like it, a thumbs up would be great. Also, make sure to subscribe for future videos. If you want to leave a comment or ask a question, you're welcome to do so. Thanks for watching.